Next, I'd like to go over two examples where we're multiplying polynomials. This first example is checkpoint 2. In the book, it multiplies this binomial, 5x minus 2, times this three-term polynomial, or trinomial, 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. There are two different methods covered in the book. One just simply writes all the terms on a line after you do the multiplications. We're going to multiply 5x by all three of those, negative 2 by all three of those, and then put them together. The second method does some gathering of like terms as you go, and so I'm going to use that one because I like that method. It saves a little gathering of terms at the end. So let's start. We're going to multiply 5x by 3x squared. When you multiply that, you're going to get 15x squared. Then we'll multiply 5x by the next term. So 5x times negative 5x will be minus 25x squared. And then let's multiply it by the third term. 5x times 4 is going to be plus 20x. Okay, now we'll come to the negative 2. We've done we multiplied 5x by all three of those terms. Now let's multiply negative 3 by all three terms. And as we do it, we'll line them up with their like terms. Negative 2 times 3x squared gives you negative 6x squared. So we'll put that under the x squared term that's on this line. Now we'll multiply negative 2 times negative 5x. That will be a positive 10x, and we'll put that under the x term. Then we have negative 2 times 4, which would be negative 8. We'll put that over here. There's no corresponding term above to write that under, but that's fine. Now we can add these together. There's nothing to add to this, so we'll bring that down, 15x squared. Here we have negative 25x squared minus 6x squared. That'll be minus 31x squared. 20x plus 10x, that'll be plus 30x, and then we have the negative 8 left over. So that's the method of gathering the terms as you go. Second example, something that should be familiar. We're multiplying two binomials, 7x minus 5 and 4x minus 3. And you should be familiar with the FOIL method. That's what I will use here, and go ahead and work that too. It's essentially the same as what we did up here. We want to multiply all the corresponding terms and then gather like terms and finish. So let's start by multiplying. The f stands for the first term, so multiply the first term, 7x and 4x, that's 28x squared. Then we'll multiply 7x, we'll do the outer term, 7x and negative 3, so we get minus 21x when we multiply those. Then we'll do the inner terms, which is negative 5 and 4x, and we multiply those, we get negative 20x. And then finally we'll multiply negative 5 and negative 3. Those are the last terms, and there we get plus 15. Okay, after that we should put any like terms together that we can. There's no other x squared term, so that one will stay as is. There are two x terms, minus 21x, minus 21x. If we put those together, we'll get negative 41x, and then we only have one constant or number term, and so that will just be 15. So when you multiply two binomials, normally you'll get a trinomial, and so this is the answer here.